Hello, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, gold edges up amid USD weakness. Gold ticks higher in the early morning Asian session amid weakness of USD, which typically has an inverse correlation with the precious metal. You can see here dollar holds steady in thin holiday trade. Dollar index steady around 103.80 on Friday, holding recent gains as stronger than anticipated. Data prompted traders to reassess the outlook for Federal Reserve monetary policy. So this is the market sentiment right now, and today is Friday. So my dear friends, be careful. Try to close down all your positions before the day closes, because during the weekend any news may come out and may bring some volatility to the market on Monday. Okay, and before I proceed, my dear friends, I would like to announce one thing, that there are many scams going on in Telegram in my name. I do not have any official group by the name Trader Next Door. I do not have any official account on Telegram. There are many scams going on. People are taking money in my name. Please stay away. Do not trust anyone on Telegram in my name. The only source of contact is my website avilashhajarika.com. The link is in the description. Please stay away from all the telegrams. These are all scams in my name. So this is the chart of DXY US dollar index. If we look at the trend of DXY, you may think that market was in uptrend and right now market is consolidation, but we can clearly see that the structure of the market is changing, or the structure has changed already, because market was previously forming higher highs, higher lows, and here we can see that market is no longer forming higher highs, rather market is forming lower lows here, and when market is going up also, market is unable to break the previous high, which signifies that the trend of the market has changed. And if we consider the market sentiment, then yes, the market sentiment is also not very positive, or there are no news also that will bring some bullishness to the market. So on the chart of DXY, we can see FIBO is doing a good job here. So if market shows upside during the day, or especially during the US session, if DXY surprises us, that 104.70 to 105 will be the next resistance. And in this market condition, yes, market will face some serious selling pressure around this area. Not only in gold, but if you trade on forex, then yes, it is very important to know what is going on in DXY or US dollar, because US dollar is the most traded currency. And the next support is around 103 to 102.90. But to be honest, in this market condition, max to max you can expect a bounce. As the market structure is bearish, market will fall below this structure if the downtrend continues. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. So gold is still trading near the 2000 level mark. Remember, a couple of days ago we discussed about the uncertainty regarding the 2000 level. I told you guys that right now there is a battle between contracts and the market sentiment. And in the last couple of months we have seen the power of contracts. And we can still see that we have a good number of contracts standing at 2000 level. But these contracts expire. So as a result, by the month in, okay, you can expect the wall that is there right now will collapse slowly, because it will expire, and you can only see that the number of open interest is reducing. You can see minus 1200 open interest. So the wall is reducing, or yeah, the strength. Okay. And if we observe the market structure here, we can see previously gold was in uptrend, and right now we can see that not much, but still in gold also market is unable to form higher highs. So gold is also reducing the speed here. And secondly, you can see we can also more or less identify that gold is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern, means a breakout will come, but it can come towards any side. It may be a bullish breakout, it may be a bearish breakout, but yes, you can expect a breakout very, very soon. And more or less whenever the volatility reduces, it is very important to watch the market, because a breakout is about to come very soon. So listen to me carefully. The market was positive, market was bullish, no doubt, but slowly the structure of the market is changing. Market is forming lower lows. Sorry, market is forming lower highs, and market is also forming higher lows here, and we can see a symmetrical triangle pattern. So a breakout may come soon. So the first trading opportunity on the chart of gold will be, in case during the European session, US session, if you see a big candle, it may be towards any side, try to follow the trend of the market. See, volatility in the market shifts always. Means market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. And right now, market is extremely low volatile. That doesn't mean that market will be sleeping forever. Market will gain some momentum. Market will be showing um, a big plus, and you need to follow the trend of the market if that plus comes. Okay, so my dear friends, this is the first trading opportunity on the chart of gold. If volatility comes, if market surprises us with a big candle, we need to follow the trend of the market. But yes, if market starts falling, if you see market is coming down, observe the volatility. If you see the market is going down, but the size of the candles are not convincing enough, then observe the market around 1984 to 1987. The first support on the chart of gold. Is this a very good support? No, this is a weak support. Okay, but still volatility will decide. As you guys have heard me saying plenty of times, that volatility of the market is very important. So because if there is a wall, if there is a door, okay, if you really want to break it, you need to apply force. If the force is not high, then obviously you won't be able to break the door. Similarly, if the volatility is low, then market will not be able to break the level of 84.87, and you can expect a bounce. Switch to a lower time frame to get a precise entry, proper entry. If you see market is taking support 1984.85, go for a buy position. The second support on the chart of gold is around 1978. Around 1978, it can be 1977, it can be 1979 also. Here also the volatility will be decisive. If you see a market is going down and market crosses 84 level with a big green red candle, then obviously we need to apply our common sense, isn't it? And then observe the market in 1978. Here also switch to a lower time frame. If you see that market is taking support of 77, 78 level, market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing hammer kind of a pattern, you will get a confirmation that yes, buyers are present. Why we're considering 1978? Because of FIBO 78, FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Right now we can see market is respecting our FIBO setup here, so we can expect the same again if the volatility of the market remains normal. And lastly, the support is around 1969.9, actually it is 90, okay, let's make it 90 to 1965.50. This is the third support on the chart of gold. Okay, if market takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy. And I think if market forms a big red candle, also market with volatility, okay, this level will have the potential and strength to hold the market. So on the chart of gold, we have three support levels. This is the strongest, this is the medium, and this is the weakest. And volatility of the market will be decisive. So accordingly, you can take the decision and you can take the trade. So if market takes support and bounces, go for a buy. And as we can clearly see a symmetrical triangle pattern, if market breaks out, try to follow the trend of the market instead of going for a reversal trade. The resistance level of 2010 is still very much valid. 2008 or 2008 to 2000 still very much valid, and still the fact remains that to continue the upside, gold needs to cross 2010 level, because if gold breaks 2010 level, it will be heading towards 2025, 2050, 2080. So right now, we cannot consider that market is an uptrend right now. Market is under consolidation. Market may go for a structural change also here. So as a result, to continue the uptrend, to continue the bullish run, bull run, market needs to cross 2010 level. So until and unless gold crosses 2010, we cannot consider the market is still in uptrend. Okay. So if market reverses, we can look for a sell, but I don't think so. that market will be breaking 2010 as of now. Okay, during the US session, market may surprise us, but in the Asian session, European session, I don't think so. Market will have that kind of strength and power to break it. So follow proper risk management. Okay, be careful. And as I always say, my dear friends, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And as you guys already know that I have already declared the date, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. My dear friends, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. The workshop is not for complete beginners. If you have been struggling with the market and if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable workshop. Yes, the details and everything are on the website. The link is in the description. You can see here it's a 3 days workshop. The topics that I'll be covering are mentioned here, and these are the topics that we will be covering in the weekly sessions. Okay. And what are the benefits? The benefits that you'll be receiving is everything mentioned on the website. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And the best part is, yes, always the fees. You can see if you sign up for only the workshop with 1 month support, then it's only $15, rupees 1000 for Indians. And there are many people who want proper guidance because trading is a journey, it takes time. Then you can also sign up for semi-annual or the lifetime support as well. You'll be getting personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, to ask questions, or to normal chit chat. Okay, everything is mentioned on our website, and these are the dates here. You can see 6, 7, 8 of December. Timing is here, and if you're unable to attend but you're interested, no need to worry because people from all around the world uh, participate, but due to time difference, they cannot attend. So I record everything. You'll get a recording. No need to worry. Okay, so that's all. Check out the link in the description. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.